how you take off a Honda K-Series valve cover. You got a 10 right here, that 10, this 10, this 10, this 10. You got that 10 back there, you got this 10 right here. Got all these 10s, boom, 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 boom. Then you should be good to take it out. So, let me see. That 10, this 10, these 10s. Yeah, so we're back. We got all that off. You can see gaskets in there. I'm gonna put a new gasket on, but cams aren't scored up or anything, which is good. Looks relatively healthy. It's not dark in here, so what you want to do, you want to set this. You do not want nothing to fall in your engine. You want to set this. Please set it. You don't want anything, I mean anything falling in your engine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this, because you do, I'm telling you, do not want that. So gently shut your engine or cover it up with something. Please don't let anything get in y'all's engine, bro. So alright, so guys, we got this K-Series valve cover here that we're gonna go ahead and spray white. So we're just gonna get a nice little base coat on there. Takes a lot of coat to cover with this white sometimes, but yeah, I think we'll do fine. Stepping on this hood, it doesn't matter. It's old anyways. It's no good. I need to throw it away, to be honest. Look. If y'all are worried about the paint and getting into the oil, it's good. This paint doesn't stick to oil, so just wipe it out. Nice and easy afterwards. We need another can of white. But after that, y'all just do the steps and vice versa, and you'll be good. As you can see, getting all my hardware on now. That one's on. I usually get a socket and go over and tap these again, just so they're locked into place. And I know they're locked into place good. So we'll get at that and I'll come back when I'm done.